This is Short Bible Stories, where ancient words come alive. In just a few minutes, journey through powerful moments of faith, courage, and redemption. The Bible, one short story at a time. David, the renowned king of Israel, faced tumultuous times upon his return to Jerusalem. After the rebellion led by his son Absalom, David's heart was heavy with both grief and relief. Absalom's demise ended a bitter conflict, but it left behind a realm divided and a father bereft. As David made his way back to the city, he was met by the tribes of Israel with mixed emotions. Some were eager to welcome their king, while others questioned his leadership in light of recent events. The journey back was not just a physical one, it was a path riddled with reconciliation and restoration. David needed to mend not only the rifts in his nation, but also the ones within his own family. His encounter with Shimei was a poignant moment. Shimei, who had once cursed David, now sought his forgiveness. With humility, David extended mercy, setting a tone for peace among his people. Meeting with the likes of Mephibosheth and Barzillai highlighted the personal bonds strained by war. Mephibosheth, Jonathan's son, expressed his loyalty, dispelling any doubts of betrayal. Meanwhile, Barzillai, the generous supporter, showed unparalleled allegiance, his humility and kindness further solidifying David's ties to his people. However, the internal struggles were far from over. The king faced divisions within his loyal followers. The men of Judah and the rest of Israel were at odds over the honor of bringing David back. This discord echoed the deep-seated tensions that still needed addressing. As David reclaimed his throne, he remained ever mindful of the wounds that war had inflicted. His return journey underscored the themes of forgiveness, justice, and unity. A king striving to heal a fragmented kingdom. With wisdom and grace, David sought to rebuild trust not only in his rule but also in the hearts of his people. The road to reconciliation was arduous, yet essential. In the face of adversity, David's return stands as a testament to his enduring commitment to his people and his unwavering faith in a divine plan guiding his steps. Through humility and wisdom, he laid the foundation for a legacy of peace and unity. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels here on YouTube. They are Hard Biblical Questions, Top 10 Most Loved Bible Verses, and Senior Life Simplified. Please check them out. I think you will like them. Thank you, and God bless.